I've been on vacation in Hawaii now for 2 weeks, and I've carried this Moft card holder wallet exclusively during that entire time. Now, I brought another wallet with me, but I have not used it at all. I've just had a couple of cards in here and some cash. I've shoved a couple of receipts in here. This thing has totally replaced my usual wallet during this entire stay. It snaps right on to the back of the iPhone 12 Pro, like so. And what's cool about this is that it has a kickstand. And when you fold this out like this, you can look at it horizontally, or that's vertically, or you can look at your phone horizontally or sit on any flat surface. It's attached, like I said, with MagSafe technology, and it holds on there pretty well. The best part about it is that you don't have to carry an extra wallet in your pocket, which means that's something else to lose, it's something else to keep track of. When this, it's all in one. Now, this is, even though it has this kickstand on it, it's really not a whole lot thicker. I mean, just a couple of millimeters thicker than the Apple MagSafe version, but this does so much more. And of course, this is not leather like the MagSafe, the Apple's is. This is some sort of faux leather or vegan leather, sometimes they call it. But it seems to be pretty tough material. The stitching seems to be also pretty tight and well made. One of the things I really like about this is that, and I have to compare it to the Apple version, is that Apple has, you have to take the card holder off in order to use it, because this little thumb slot in here is how you push the cards up. And again, I must have slippery thumbs. This doesn't work really well for me. Plus, on the Apple version, if you tuck your cards down in there too deeply, they don't stick up far enough to grab. And if you put too many cards in there, they can get stuck. I've actually had to use needle nose pliers, honestly. But on this, when you fold this down, it's real easy to just pull the card out, the one you want, and stick it back in like this. They're very, very easy to grab. Sometimes this will pull off if you're pulling too hard, but most of the time it sticks on there pretty well. And it also stays on when it's in your pocket. When I put this in here like this, I don't have to worry about another, whoops, let me get this one out of here. I don't have to worry about another wallet floating around there, or my iPhone fitting next to the wallet, because it's stuck to it. It's just one integral piece. It acts as one unit. Now, the problem with any of these MagSafe type wallets is that this is also where you charge your phone with the MagSafe charger. Of course, you can charge it here in the conventional way, but if you're using a MagSafe charger, you need to take this off first to put it on the charger. What's cool about this is that you can actually put the MagSafe charger on here first and then put this over top of it. And then when you're using the kickstand, like so, say if you're reading something or watching a video like that, in between here is the MagSafe charger, and this will stick on the outside of the MagSafe charger. So you have sort of a sandwich there. So you can be charging and watching the phone all at the same time. Let's run through this one more time. MagSafe technology works only with the iPhone 12 series, doesn't matter which one it is. Sticks right onto the back of your phone really well. It has a kickstand that you can use either vertically or you can use horizontally. And it has really easy access to 2 to 3 cards right here where you can easily pull them out. So anyway, that wraps it up on the Moft MagSafe card holder wallet.